Taylor and Ann here to answer commonly asked questions about Sculptra. What is Sculptra?
Sculptra is a biostimulator. A biostimulator is a product that can help your body naturally produce collagen to help improve fine lines, wrinkles, and provide a natural volume restorations in the area that it's placed.
Once you place it, how does it work in your body?
Sculptra helps stimulate natural collagen production. The poly-L-lactic acid in Sculptra forms a framework that helps support and maintain the skin's inner structure, which will lead to a more youthful looking appearance.
Tell me how results might vary from regular dermal filler.
Sculptra will provide a gradual change over time versus filler that is more of an immediate result. Sculptra's results develop incrementally as new collagen layers form beneath the skin, which can take up to 12 weeks. Some patients report a noticeable improvement in volume and contour as soon as 4 weeks after their treatment. Your results will be unique, and a little patience will be worth the effortless looking results.
What are some of the side effects I might expect with Sculptra?
Side effects are similar to other injectables, and that might include localized swelling, bruising, and tenderness.
Do I need more than one treatment? And how does maintenance work?
A series of treatments will be recommended to obtain your individual goals, and after your series of treatments are complete, you can expect yearly maintenance.
If you have further questions about Sculptra, schedule a consultation with one of our providers to learn more.